Welcome back to Terramata Gardens. Today we're looking at a vibrant ground cover that glows in the sun. Golden Pacific Juniper, a hardy and low maintenance evergreen that turns problem areas into golden carpets of color. Golden Pacific Juniper is actually a cultivar of shore juniper, a species naturally found growing along sandy coasts of Japan and islands in Russia. The coastal origin make it incredibly tough with excellent salt and drought tolerance, which is why it thrives in landscapes where many other plants fail. Junipers as a whole have been valued for centuries, not just for landscaping, but also for their wood, aromatic oils, and symbolic uses in many cultures. The shore juniper species has long been a stabilizer of coastal and sand dunes in Asia, protecting shorelines from erosion. The Golden Pacific cultivar was bred for its ornamental qualities, bringing a bright golden green glow to the landscape, while keeping all the toughness of its wild ancestors. Today it's widely used in gardens around the world as a reliable evergreen ground cover. Unlike upright juniper trees, this variety spreads low and wide, usually reaching about 12 to 18 inches tall and up to 8 feet across over time. Its needle-like foliage is soft to the touch, starting a bright golden green in spring and summer before deepening to a rich green in cooler weather. When planted, it forms a dense, glowing carpet that looks stunning across slopes, rocky beds, and borders. Golden Pacific Juniper is one of the most low-maintenance evergreens you can grow. It thrives in full sun, where its foliage color is at its brightest, but it can handle partial shade as well. Well-drained soil is essential, just like its coastal origins. It doesn't like wet feet. Once established, it's incredibly drought tolerant and needs little to no supplemental water. This plant is also highly salt tolerant, making it a fantastic choice for seaside gardens or even along salted winter roads. Pruning is rarely necessary, but you can lightly trim it to keep it within its boundaries. In the landscape, Golden Pacific Juniper pairs beautifully with lavender, ornamental grasses, dwarf pines, and sedums, and it's also a fantastic companion for taller shrubs and perennials, where its golden mat acts as a colorful, living mulch, suppressing weeds and hiding soil in its place. Because of its erosion control ability, it's often planted on slopes, retaining walls, or rocky areas where grass or flowers struggle to grow. While Golden Pacific Juniper isn't an edible plant, junipers have long been used for their aromatic wood and essential oils, and juniper berries from other species are famously used to flavor gin. Ecologically, Golden Pacific provides valuable shelter for insects, ground nesting birds, and beneficial organisms in the soil. It's not just ornamental, it supports biodiversity in subtle but important ways. So whether you're designing a low-maintenance landscape, looking for erosion control, or simply want to add a glowing golden accent to your garden, Golden Pacific Juniper is a hardy and beautiful choice. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed learning about Golden Pacific Juniper, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow gardeners. Stay tuned as we continue exploring the plants and species that make our ecosystems thrive.